Hello guys, this is my grandma dog. Her name is Misha. Misha, come, follow the camera. This is my room with my brother. This cannot be opened. Here, Misha, let me zoom in. She's beautiful. She loves when I just do this. When I just, Misha. Hello. This is my couch bed. You can turn it into a couch or a bed. Let me sit on it. Ugh. Look at Misha. She don't want to get out. But what are you doing? Why are you covering me? So I'm gonna just let her be. Okay, I'm gonna leave you guys in here for like, you want to get out? Man, the camera. I'm not wearing shoes. Bubble. I just woke up a couple hours ago. She didn't want to get out. Misha. By the way, I'm on the iPad. She looks like a god of dogs, don't she? Misha, can I pet you, please? Misha is so cute. You're asking me, why am I not showing my face? I'm gonna do that. Not in a long time. I will only show my voice. Tell me if you like this or this. Leave a like if you like this. Subscribe if you like this. Oh, look. She have two other dogs, but they did not want to come in. And you might be asking, what type of dog is she? I don't know. So this is where I'm going to end it.